Hey guys, welcome back. It's Cindy and welcome back to another video. Today's video, it's a cooking video. What do you guys think? So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I want to say that it's not the best lighting and not the best setting spot, but it works and I did it and hopefully you guys enjoy it. What else? Every single ingredient is going to be in the description bar, so if you want to try this recipe out, then look at my description box and everything's going to be there. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so this is the process. We're going to put the eggs into the Tupperware and we're going to put the garlic, herb, breadcrumbs on the plate. Yep. So you can use anything that's oven safe, and I'm using a baking pan and I just put tin foil. I use the Pam spray olive oil, which works super good, and I just love using it, so that's what I use. And you can use whatever you want. You can use butter or anything else that you find easier. And yeah, so this process is really simple. You just dump the chicken into the egg, then to the crumbs, and then onto the pan, and that's pretty easy and fast. And that's the results, and I just pop that in the oven for 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to the pasta. You can use any kind of pasta you want. In this case, I'm using this one. They look like little bows. I thought they were really cute. So I'm gonna dump more than half of the pasta to cook, and I'm gonna add more water to this because it totally needs more water. There we go. Go ahead and dump it. And I'm just going to clean my area, and I love using these wipes. They're the Clorox disinfecting wipes, and they work super well, and I just love using them. And this is what you're going to need for the pasta: Parmesan cheese, a cup of milk, a cup of chicken broth, and you're going to use these. And I'm going to show you throughout the video on where you're going to use them. And you're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter and garlic, cutting board, and a knife. So I'm just going to cut the butter here, and that's how much you need. And I also forgot you need parsley. And for the garlic, we're just going to cut it up. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be in perfect squares, however you want it. It's just so I can just get 2 tablespoons out of it. Teaspoons, not tablespoons, my bad. There we go, that's 1. The pasta at this moment is ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and drain it. And there you go, just draining it. And this is the pasta sauce. So we're gonna melt the butter, and then we're gonna add the 2 teaspoons of garlic, and we're just gonna cook that for a minute or 2 until it just starts bubbling up and it looks like it's ready to add the flour. And for the flour, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. Now these are tablespoons, they're a little bit bigger. So the chicken is ready at this time, and I didn't take them out. So there's the tablespoon, and that's the 3 tablespoons of flour, and we're just gonna cook that up until it's all mixed and thickens and bubbles up. And that's when we're gonna add the milk and the chicken broth. And for this, you're usually gonna have to wait until it's thick. And I took the chicken out. You can see I just put it right there. So just wait until it thickens and it starts bubbling up. You'll see in the next clip. See, there you go. And that's when it's ready to add the parsley, I believe. Yay, I'm correct. Yeah, so parsley, and that's 2 tablespoons, and I'm adding salt and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. There you go. Just mix it, and then you add the pasta. This is my favorite part, when you add the pasta and you just mix it all up, and it looks so good. At the end, when you're done, you can add more Parmesan cheese on top, and just a glass of cold water, because I love it. So this is the finished product. Super easy to make, ready to dig in, and super yummy. Hope you guys enjoyed it.